Welcome. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with LinkedIn message reminder emails, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable email notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn, using the latest update on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This section lets you manage every type of notification LinkedIn sends, including emails, push, and in-app alerts. Now, scroll through the notification categories until you find Messaging. Click on it to expand the messaging notification settings. Here, you'll see various options related to messages you receive on LinkedIn. Look for the Message Reminders option. This controls notifications that remind you about messages you haven't responded to yet. To disable email notifications for message reminders, simply find the toggle or checkbox next to email and turn it off. Once you do this, LinkedIn will stop sending you email reminders about unread messages, helping keep your inbox clutter-free. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled email notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn. You'll still get these reminders within LinkedIn itself, but your email will stay quiet. If you ever want to adjust other notification types, just repeat these steps and explore the other categories. LinkedIn gives you full control, so you can customize your experience to fit your needs. Thanks for following along. Enjoy a cleaner inbox and a more focused LinkedIn experience.